Hi guys, it's John from Creative Tap. Now in this tutorial, short tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to move the pivot point of a shape. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to create a simple cube and I'm going to scale this up now. Let's say you want the pivot point, which is this little gizmo by here. Let's say you want the pivot point at the bottom of the shape or at a specific corner. Well, the way you do that is if we go to move, we're moving the whole object, but if it's just the pivot point you want to move, if you hit D on your keyboard, you can see that now it's changed and it's got this little sort of target inside here. Now when I move this, it's just moving the pivot point, okay? So this pivot point is the only thing that's moving. Now, if you want to snap this to a certain corner, for example, what you can do is you can turn on snap to point up here. And now when I move this, it's going to snap to specific points, and let's just move it over. It's going to snap to here. Okay, so if I turn this off now and then hit D on my keyboard to return, because if we carry on moving, it's just going to move the pivot point. So if I hit D again, now when we do this, it's the pivot point is attached to the bottom, and if we come into our side view, for example, we can make sure that we're dead on that line. Okay, and that's how basically how you move the pivot point. So hit D on the keyboard, move it around any way you want, and if you want to turn snap in on so it snaps to a certain point, then you can do so like this, and then hit D again, and you are free to move or scale the shape. So if you wanted to scale it from a certain point, now it's just scaling from this corner. So you may have this corner matched to something and you want to scale it out, but if you did that from the middle, it would scale it in all directions, but now it just scales from this corner. Okay, so cheers for tuning in. I will be doing some more modeling tutorials soon. Leave a comment on what you'd like to see. Be sure to check out our other videos. There's some in the description below. Comment, rate, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Cheers. Bye.